Welcome back to my morning report. Charter prices on Monday, the 4th of January, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to Eurodollar now, and we've had this move on Eurodollar where there was a slight drift to the downside back towards that old trading range floor, 108.10, that we've basically been in for the last few weeks, really, ever since that ECB decision, which was at the beginning of December. We've basically been trading between 108.10 and 110.50. We drifted back towards that 108.10 mark. 108.25 was the reaction low today before sharp rebound, actually, as the safe haven moves came through in the market. And certainly that has benefited and turned around near-term sentiment. And we've got pretty strong candle at the moment, although obviously the trading towards the end of the year is fairly light, and I wouldn't take too much meaning from an outside day, which is what it looks to be at the moment, or if you want on candlestick analysis, which would be a bullish engulfing. Wouldn't take too much steer from that. I'd say that this is just still in this trading consolidation phase. It's interesting because the euro hasn't actually really got too much direction. You've had direction coming through from cable and dollar yen and other forex majors, but not really on euro dollar. But certainly today's move has certainly helped the euro to the upside. Interesting that it basically hit the resistance around that sort of 109.40 mark, which was sort of capped the gains towards the end of December. Bit of an old floor as well, so a bit of a pivot level around 109.40. That sort of capped the upside initially today, so that is clearly a level that traders are looking at. Also 109.90 as well, which was obviously that reaction high from sort of late December as well. So a couple of resistance levels for you to work with there, but certainly the turnaround in sentiment sort of flips us into a more positive mindset. You've got the outlook on the momentum indicators, which is improved. It's not drastically bullish. It's more neutral, to be honest. If I was going to sort of take it as a medium-term view, it's not really showing you too much in terms of direction. You're sort of buzzing between 30 and 70 on the hourly RSI. Also, the MACD lines are unwound to neutral. Stochastics are also rolling over again. So it's broadly neutral. The moving averages are not showing a great deal either. So it's just playing out this continued consolidation, and I think until you get a couple of days maybe of a trend developing, because obviously, as I said, the sort of late December trades are not all that great in terms of being indicative of direction. So as the trading winds up now for the new builds up, sorry, for the new trading year. It'll be interesting to see what trends develop. But at the moment, obviously, the bulls are in control, and for now, you've got to be going with that, I'd imagine, to the upside. But as I said, don't forget these two initial pivot level. Well, the initial pivot level at 199.40, and then 109.90 being the resistance as well. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.